Hey guys, Kelly here with Mindful Bodyworks. Thank you so much for clicking on the video. Today we're going to be doing infant massage. So, infant massage, just real quick, is great for any baby. You can look at the Touch Research Institute and their studies on massage with infants and see all the wonderful, wonderful benefits. It's great for new parents. Mom usually does really well bonding, especially if she's nursing, but sometimes dads feel a little left out, so it's a great bonding experience for dads to learn how to do infant massage. Now you can massage your baby anytime. Before bed is always really great, after a bath. It's always very relaxing that way. Now there's a couple things to think about. You want to use a lotion or an oil that is very natural. A baby's skin is very sensitive, and so you want to make sure you're not putting any chemical junk on your baby when you're massaging them. I recommend fractionated coconut oil is really good as long as there's no coconut allergies in the family, but you'll have to research that on your own, okay? So we're gonna go ahead and get started. So for starters, we always want the blood flow to go back towards the heart. So we're just gonna be making little motions. If you do it too hard, then your baby might get fussy or cry, and if you do it too light, it might be more ticklish to baby and they might be squirming a lot as well. So you're gonna have to find that happy medium. So we're gonna start with the left arm. We're gonna do left arm, left leg, right leg, okay? So the motion for this is just taking my thumb and just pushing back up the arm. So I would have oil on my hands or a natural lotion, and I'm just going down the arm but pushing the blood flow back up towards the top of the arm or the heart. I don't usually massage babies' hands too much. Their hands are so tiny and still developing, plus their hands go right in their mouth, so they would just put that lotion or oil straight in their mouth. And so you don't want to hang out too long. Usually 10 to 15 minutes of massaging is good, so I'm going to move on to the right arm. And then I'm going to come to the left leg. So I want to start up at the thigh. Another thing to think about is if your baby has had any type of test, blood taken, or shots, you would want to be real careful over that area. And then the right leg. Of course, this doll is a very easy massage baby. Your baby might be squirming a lot. You just have to do what you can. Then we're gonna go to the belly. So you don't always have to massage the belly, but if there's any constipation or gas, massaging the belly is wonderful. You can take a drop of castor oil if they're having any digestion issues and rub that clockwise on their belly, and that will help with any constipation or gas, okay? So clockwise. So our clock runs to the right. So what we want to do, if they have gas, you don't want to start over at the left side of the clock and go down, because you're going to impact all of that gas over to one area. So we're going to start on the left side of the abdomen, and we're just going to go down and just take a little bit at a time, but still going in that same clockwise direction. So just a little bit at a time on that left side, then go to the center. Now I'm not doing anything deep, and then on this right side you'll just be pushing up and towards the midline. And so you can just go around in little circles. If they're really gassy and this is too much, just rub the castor oil on their belly and that will help them, and don't over massage it if it's too uncomfortable. All right, so then we're gonna go to the back. So with the back, I always like to hold baby in my arms. This baby's a little small, but hold baby in my arms and do the back this way. You just want to stay off of the spine, so anywhere on the back is great. Just don't put any pressure right on the middle of the back where the spine would be. So I like doing just little fingers right on one side and one on the other side. Now you could just massage like this, just massage the oil in, because that's just very soothing. And there you have it. Now you could do the back of the legs if you want, but usually you'll have a diaper here, so that would be in the way of the hips. You already got a lot of blood flow going from the front of the legs, so you don't necessarily have to do the back of the legs. You do want to avoid the head on infants. You have that soft spot, and really there's just no reason to be messing with that. All right, so that is infant massage. If you have any questions or comments, feel free to leave those down below. I hope you learned a little something today. Bonding with your baby through massage is so important. Plus, it has so many health benefits. I'll link that Research Institute studies down below in the YouTube video description. So if you're watching this on Instagram, make sure you head over to YouTube and look at the description. Always, thank you so much for liking and subscribing to my channel, and I will see you next time. Take care.